Ni hao from Beijing, I'm Michael Josh, and you're watching Gadget Mash. Just today, Xiaomi unveiled its latest flagship smartphone, and we have it already inside this box. This is our Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 unboxing and first impressions. The Mi Mix 3 comes in this square black box. Let's lift this lid off, and here it is, the Mi Mix 3. Over here you can see that the Mix line is all about the borderless display, cameras, and design. Pulling this tab over here lifts the phone up like so. Okay, this feels really nice in the hand. The color we got is blue, which is actually a new color for the Mix line. The phone is still made of ceramic, but this is the first time we're actually seeing colors. Let's set that aside first and see what else is inside the box. A message from Xiaomi CEO Lei Jun, this time with English translation. It basically talks about Xiaomi's commitment to its users. Up next, wrapped in this not so sophisticated plastic. What? Don't quote me on this, but this is probably the first time that a smartphone company shipped a wireless charger in the actual retail box, which is one step in pushing wireless charging further. If you ask me, I think every brand should start doing it. The wireless charger is about 30% faster than the one launched in spring this year, but it still comes in this rubbery matte finish. There's also a quick charge 4 Plus wall adapter and a USB-C cable. But wait, there's more. Inside this box, a SIM ejector tool, USB-C to headphone jack adapter, manuals, and another surprise wrapped in plastic, a black case. This one is a thin, semi-hard plastic shell with an almost rubbery matte finish. It's not bad for a free case. My only wish is that it came in blue to match the phone. Okay, now back to the Mix 3. Let's peel off these stickers, and this. There it is, all displayed. This color is so nice. Okay, let's see those cameras. Whoops, there's one more sticker. So this module over here that houses the dual selfie cameras also matches the phone's color. The phone is available in Onyx Black, Jade Green, but my favorite really has to be this Sapphire Blue color. It's worth noting that even if the front cameras are hidden here, you don't need to slide down the display to use the main cameras here at the back. Let's see that again. This is how it looks like from the back when you slide the display down. One question I got a lot on Twitter today is, does it come with a case? The answer is yes. And how does a case work? Well, the display slides downward and the case has a hole on its bottom. So much so that when you slide it down, it just pops out from the case like this. Slide down, slide up. I think I could do this all day, and at the presentation earlier, Xiaomi CEO Lei Jun said that you can also snap like this instead of playing with a fidget spinner. And that was our Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 unboxing and first impressions. Our hands-on video is coming real soon, so to make sure you don't miss that, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we post that video, follow us on social media for lots of behind-the-scenes fun stuff, and as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, from here in Beijing, China, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.